Just heard a loud bang on the window. Oh, sad. Are you okay? Are you alright?
I'm going under and I feel this time there's no one to save me.
It's okay, honey.
This all or nothing really got a way of driving me crazy. I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numbed all the pain. And now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me
He's free, little guy.
I let my guard down, and you pulled